Anim Baju, Azawewe Mikaneki Kwe Indigenous Cause, Isla Barker Indigenous Cause. Hi everybody, my name is Isla Barker. I'm a singer-songwriter and producer based in Winnipeg, Manitoba, as well as a National Arts Centre teaching artist. This is the first video in a 4-part video series on songwriting. Today we're going to talk about the different pieces of a song. What is song structure? What are those different things that we hear as we're listening? So what are the different pieces? Let's name those out. You have your verse, chorus, and your bridge. Those are kind of those main chunks of a song. And I'm going to start it off by playing one that I wrote. It's called All Part of the Story. We'll come back after, we'll break it down and talk about each structured part of the song. She played him a song. He fell in love, enchanted by all she was. And he swept her right off of her feet, and she fell for all he was. But it's all part of the story, writing it out on the way. We'll figure this out without a doubt. It's all part of the story. Well, they built a life, founded on love, and he promised it was enough. But along the way, a storm came, one he could not weather. Oh, and whether she stays or chooses to go, she knows she'll be okay. 'Cause it's all part of the story, writing it out on the way. We'll figure this out without a doubt. It's all part of the story. Oh, and I'm taking one step at a time. It's a matter of time, 'cause it's all part of the story, writing it out on the way. We'll figure this out without a doubt, 'cause it's all part of. Yeah. So that's called All Part of the Story. And that one follows a pretty basic song structure. So my song, that one, we started out with a verse. The verse essentially is the story. What's going on? What is this about? Give me the meat of the song. And you'll hear typically the verses will be different and they move along and they come back to maybe a specific slower movement or rhythm or something like that. Then typically next you'll hear the chorus. The chorus repeats It's typically the same thing that happens over and over again a couple times throughout the song, and it tells you a bit more of what's going on. Maybe it's even the main big picture of what a song is. Typically after that, you move back to the verse, tell a little bit more of the story, come back to the chorus again, sing that big anthem out, and then, like in this one, I come to the bridge. The bridge is the big part that changes, and the best way that I think to describe it, you have your verse, which is kind of one idea, you have your chorus, which is another, and you have the bridge that connects the two. It bridges those ideas. What is the song really about? Typically, that's the bridges piece to come in and put it all together for you. So those are the main parts of that song. Depending on the style, genre, the writer, and all those different things, many songs will have different pieces. You might have a pre-chorus, which could be a musical piece or a vocal piece that comes before the chorus. Typically, it'll build into a bigger chorus. You have your melody, which is of course the musical piece. Maybe it's something that the performer does with their vocals. And then there's different chunks of the songs like that. The best thing to remember is that whatever you do, you can kind of create any structure you want once you understand that basic structure of verse, chorus, bridge, chorus. That's kind of standard for pop music, for example. Once you understand what those pieces are and how they all connect together, then it's your turn to have fun, change how you want the song to sound. For myself, I don't always write with the bridge. I don't always write with a chorus. Maybe it's actually just even 3 verses. Maybe it's just a chorus that happens on a rap beat or something that goes along with rapping. It can be all these different styles, but the most important thing is to just start with understanding what those kind of structural pieces are. So this is the first video in a 4-part series. Up next, in the next video, we'll be doing a writing exercise to start applying some of those things that we've just learned and get you writing songs in no time. My name is Isla Barker. This is part of the National Arts Center's workshop programming, and thank you so much for joining, and I'll see you next time. Hi everybody, thanks so much for watching this video. We'd love to hear from you. Leave us a comment below, or if you have a question, you can leave that in the comment section as well. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time, and take care for now.